Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can report someone on Grindr application. Keep watching the video till the end. To report someone on Grindr, firstly go ahead and launch open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Now search for a person you want to report on Grindr. Click on the person's blog to open their profile. On the next page, click on circle icon and from the drop down tap on report user option. Choose a reason to report the user and tap on it. Click on next. Now all you need to do is click on submit. In case if you want to block the person you have reported, tap on block. This is how you can report someone on Grindr quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.